Welcome back to the Club Test, a show where we explore our university's clubs and show you what they're all about. Last week, we talked about the Investment Banking and Capital Market Society, and we had a great time. This week, we're going to get our groove on with our very own dance club, the Campus Crew. They have practices and dance lessons multiple times a week, so I thought it would be great to face my fears and give them a visit. So without further ado, this is the Campus Crew episode.
I'm Dana. I'm Amelie. And we're basically the heads of Campus Crew this year. And we're mostly hip-hop oriented, but also like to kind of like expand and maybe do different styles from time to time if we find a nice fit. So basically, we're having 2 training sessions per week, and we divided it this year into beginners class and advanced class. Beginners is always on Wednesdays, and on Sundays is always the advanced class. And for the beginners class, we do a rotation of 2 weeks basically. So the first class we learn the first half of a choreography, second class we learn the entire thing. And so basically if you come to the first week, you have somewhat an advantage in the second week, but we do that to accommodate the entire spectrum of beginners, because you have beginner, and then you have advanced beginner. So today in our beginners class, we're gonna follow the schedule that we normally do. So first we start off by warming up, getting our muscles warm, and then we go into stretching, very important as well. Groove a little bit, we teach body, we're gonna teach body wave, and then we're gonna hop into the choreography, see how far we can get in that, and then groove out, vibe together.
I'm having fun, but I'm realizing that I have zero coordination. But it's nice. I think they're very patient with everybody. With me as well. I'm kind of getting the hang of it, which feels really good. I think that's all I'm going to say. I feel like you get used to the movements as you go.
And step, and pop it up, pop it up.
So we just finished the entire set we're working on for the past hour and a half. We did like a few rounds of the whole thing at the end. I think I started off a bit rusty and I guess maybe stiff at the beginning, but I did become more and more comfortable as we went through the session. And the teachers were very attentive and patient. You're allowed to go at your own pace. Well, I think every week there are new people in these beginner classes, so you don't feel alone. We all caught on, and by the end we had a really nice, coherent performance. And even if it's your first time dancing at all, just like I was, I think you catch up to it and have fun. This is the most energetic I've felt all week, and I'm definitely coming here next time. So all I can say is if you're someone that had like an inkling of interest in dance, or to be honest, not even considered at all, I think just come here and try it next week. I'm gonna be there. Maybe I'll see you around.